I've reviewed Jabra Elite Sport before, but this time I've got my hands on the Jabra Elite 75T earbuds, which are their newest model, and they're awesome. They're Bluetooth in-ear headphones. I've had my Elite Sport for about 2 years. They still work perfectly, nothing wrong with them. And I actually my workouts because both use different apps. So the Elite Sport, I found them more for fitness. They're waterproof, they have a heart rate monitor, they track steps, so it's really good for tracking everything. Whereas these are going to be the ones that have the option to have the hear through or the noise cancelling, and they're really for people who really enjoy their sound, because in the app you can play with the bass, treble, and get that really pure sound. But they're also great for every day, because if I'm flying, I can tap to have them noise cancelling to get rest, and then I can just tap the ear again and I'll make them hear through so I can hear my traveling companion's conversation, or I can block them out, either way. And then what else? Oh, they come with this really cute compact travel case which holds up to 28 hours charge on the go, so I don't have to charge them all the time. That's really nice. They also come with 3 different sizes of these silicone ear tips. I've got small ears, and when I'm jumping around, the last thing I want is for them to go flying out, so these actually hold them in the ear really nicely. The other nice feature about them is I don't end up looking like Shrek. They fit really snug in my ears, so they're quite low profile. And then if I want my music to stop playing, say I want to talk to someone, I can just take it out, it instantly stops. So I don't have to fiddle with my phone and press pause, play, all the rest of it. And then the other thing I really like is they are Amazon Alexa, Amazon Alexa, Google and Siri enabled, so that works really easily. They come in black and titanium black. The best prices I've found are on Best Buy and Amazon. I've linked them in the Glamour and Gains by Eve blog post, as well as all kind of the geeky tech stuff that I don't know off the top of my head, but all of the facts are in there, and the comparisons with some of the other brands like the AirPod Pro. So these are going to come in a lot cheaper as well. They're $179.99 right now. Don't quote me on that, because I know prices change, seasonally and as time goes on. But I thought these were brilliant everyday headphones, and they also, if you're going to work, they're a lot more business professional than some of the headphones you see, and I really like the sound quality. So that's it. If I'm doing workouts, or if you're a fitness fanatic, I choose the Elite Sport. Everyday life, flying, all the rest of it, because of the noise cancelling as well, I would go for the 75T.